Hi everyone, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel. We are using Android phone and Maps apps installed by Google Play Store. Map apps very important for any people. Different types of work on map apps and location tag, mobile phone tag, unknown road tag. These maps apps using, but contact number not allow problem faced by map apps. This video watching, hopefully your problem is solved. First, a mobile phone setting icon, search and click, and lower side showing apps icon, click apps. This interface showing your mobile phone display. Now manage apps, click, and your mobile phone total apps showing this page. Now search maps, types and click. Already showing maps icon, click maps icon, and apps permission option showing, click apps permission option, and contacts, allow contacts. Already your problem is solved. Thank you for watching my video.